Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, October 2, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 3D Lotto at 2D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, October 2, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng October 2, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' 4:09 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, October 2, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 87 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price estimates is 36 million pesos for October 2, 2024 Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Wednesday, October 2, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.